Hello friends, Andrew here and welcome to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase the number of search results per page on Google Chrome. So you can search whatever you want. So let's say I want to search for Tesla and I come here and I simply type in Tesla within the search. If you scroll down, you see I have a bunch of search here and I can scroll all the way down and it will basically scroll until it just starts to say more results, right? But you can simply click on that and expand. But how do you go about specifying this so that you get the right amount of search that you want? Now, all you have to do in order to increase the number of search results, you want to go ahead and click on tools. So at the top here, you have a bunch of different options. You have the photos, you have all your videos, plays, more, but you also have tools. So you can click on tools and then you have the advanced search. So you can click on advanced search and here you have numbers from. So let's say I would like to get an option, let's say 50. Let's put it like that to 100. And I just need to put the numbers from 50 to 100 and then simply click on advanced search. Now, as you can see here, what is going to happen is going to give me that range 50 all the way to 100. So that's how much it will increase my search result. You will continue, and that's how I basically increase it. So how you can basically go ahead and do it, as I said, you can go to the tools and you can do it, or if you're observing, you realize that you can also specify this by writing the first number, a two dot, and then the second number. So if I would like to change this, I can just simply say 100 and I can have dot and then I can say, for example, 200, something like that, and then hit enter. This also gonna allow me to do it. I just need to accept that I'm not a robot there, and then it will basically trigger it and do the same thing. So this is the two ways, guys, that you can easily increase your number of search results per page on Google Chrome. Very easy and very simple.